pretty solid. Okay, so I don't think it's going to come off, so I'll just start cutting some shallow cuts, scoring the board, and maybe I can start popping it off with the crowbar. So we'll get going with that. If you're enjoying this video and you like this content, please subscribe so we know to make more content like this, and we thank you. There's a screw ahead in the end there. There was a screw. Well, that was fun. As you can see, yes, the plywood did not come off as planned, so I had to score and chip and, well, mainly sand. So I got the one large piece off down to bare glass. Tomorrow we'll get this piece off. Till tomorrow, thanks. So I finally got all the wood off of the fiberglass panel and went ahead and cut the holes for the two deck scuppers and the transom shower and the saltwater washdown outlet. So after that, I started fairing. For the fairing, I use Total Boat's Total Fair. I use that for just about the entire boat, and I just found it easier to work with for me. You know, easier to mix and just easy to apply, easy to sand. So what did I do wrong with building a wood mold to build this fiberglass piece? I think, you know, the wood's porous and of course just absorb the teak oil, which is meant to be absorbed into the wood to protect the wood. I really should have sealed the wood, maybe with epoxy, or even better, maybe have used like a sheet PVC product, maybe 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch PVC sheets instead of the wood, and made my mold with that. Or I could have wrapped the wood in a layer of thin plastic, stapled the plastic underneath the mold, and that would have worked fine as well. So lesson learned. But leave a comment below and let me know how you would have done it differently, and certainly don't do it the way I did it, but how you would have done it, and I'd be interested to see. I forgot to tell you that when I cut the holes for the transom shower and the saltwater washdown outlet, I installed a backer at the back of the panel, and I just took spare pieces of fiberglass that I cut off from the cap of the boat,
flat pieces of fiberglass. I epoxied them onto the back of the panel and then cut the hole through both of those layers, and that just gives me a nice solid sturdy surface to screw the screws into later to install the transom shower cap as well as the outlet for the saltwater washdown. So again, this piece is going to enclose the area underneath the custom bench seat that we're building at the rear of the cockpit. I hope you like how it came out, and we'll see you in the next video.